Call my loan like I was speaker knockers. She said she love me and I vanish like magic. I pull up and stab it, she freaky and classy. Her eyes real low like she smoking the cabbage. I leave him in bandages. She talking that money, she speaking my language. Head to the back like Rosa Parks. We start with a gaddy, I hit her off the dark. Call my crew jobs cause we sliding with sharks. He said that he cold, I said he a joke. 2018, I was moving alone. 2020, and I'm coming for souls. Wake you up, Jim Crow. In the trap, like Kevin McAllister. I got a strap and I dance on my banister. Running up Bentley, go call me the chopper. They're scraping up bowl, please leave me alone. I don't like these niggas, they doing the most. He say that he's solid, but he going ghost. With my trap queen like Fetty Wap. Breaking the bricks, Blackberry. He turned me on just like a switch. Shout out to Kirby, he hit them licks. Swiping these bitches, I swear I'm so picky. She letting me freak, Lil Dicky. Slide in the dark with a mask on my face. Call me Bruce Wayne cause I'm bringing the pain. Pull out the chopper, gon' wipe up the stain. Glock make him jump, Hardy Boys. I made that girl famous like Kanye West. He a broke boy, Playboy Cardi. Flexing his big stacks. Hercules, king of the trade. Hermes, I spin on his block with a brand new mop. We open up shop, we loading up glops. We ain't using props. He ain't looking for clout, just for the commas.